You are fully entering in creator mode and understanding what that means now. May this message find the right people at the right time. Thank you, Spirit. Ravens coming in immediately. A raven just flew above me. So, oh, I feel like this is appropriate then. Okay, thank you. Whew. Ravens are significant to this, as well as snakes. I was feeling snake energy. Rainbows, I was feeling rainbows. Unicorns, seraphim, archangels. You have been you've been going through deep ancestral clearing, healing not only curses from your own lineage, but curses and black magic and things from your past lives. You have been clearing some deep, heavy woundings and painful karmic cycles. Because there are karmic cycles that, karma doesn't mean bad, it just means coming back around. But you've been clearing some painful karmic cycles. You have been having to deal with probably financial struggle in some way, is what I'm hearing. You've had to deal with romantic relationships that have been difficult. You've also had to deal with people that have, in a way, tried to write a story about you and slander your name. This is a very specific message. May this find the right people at the right time who it is truly meant to. If you're new here, hi, my name is Melissa. Welcome in. 333-555 is coming out right now. 444. You're healing also, like, the witch wound is what I'm hearing. You've had to deal with situations and people who have done you wrong, and it had to activate your personal power. I almost stuttered right there. Things that, like, second guessed you and your own identity and who you are. And Spirit's coming through right now with a very positive turn in your life. It feels like it's been like years of a heavy cycle, and the positive turn is taking place now. And they're telling me to pull some cards, so we're gonna pull some cards. Lately I've been doing these readings in my car. I'm always doing my readings in my car. I'm always traveling, that's why. I just doing my thing, following Spirit. So anyway, yeah, so your money is increasing, your health is increasing, your communities are growing, they're saying. This is what the turning point is now. Whew. Entering deep I am creator mode. I'm hearing no more apologizing for being you. No more apologizing for your gifts, your power, your authenticity. No more apologizing for your feelings and taking up space. Boundaries needing to be put in place. Benevolent boundaries. Thank you to Larissa, sweet sister. Benevolent boundaries is the word for the year. And, I feel like maybe your ancestors didn't know what boundaries are. That could be something that resonates with you, having to deal with, difficult, family situations. But take that how it resonates. I just keep hearing, we're going up, 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 it's our moment. Take off. Like, this is the turning point. You've closed out some really heavy cycles. Really heavy. Yeah, 5 of Swords. Having to deal with things behind your back, being snuck up on, deception. 4 of Wands. I'm hearing job well done. You could have done some fucked up shit, but you didn't. 444, as I just said that. You could have done some fucked up shit. You could have, went out swinging and, activated, and stooped to their level is what I'm hearing for some of you. you know, whatever it is that it was, like, but you didn't. You held prayer, you held light, you held love, compassion. You know, you did the best you could, is what I'm hearing from Spirit. And so that Four of Wands is really making me feel like a job well done. You know, I also feel like that protection around Spirit, like you've been guided by Spirit this entire time, throughout this entire process, even in moments that maybe it didn't feel like you were being guided by Spirit. But your material world, King of Pentacles, is very secure. Even in moments where it felt like it wasn't going to be secure, it worked out some way. And the King of Pentacles coming through now of like, this is a very confident masculine energy. Doesn't matter if you're male or female, just masculine, knowing how to take action in your life, you know, balanced in this, knowing how to provide for yourself and trust that you're provided for. It's a healthy, healed, divine masculine energy that you're exuding now after having to go through the ringer to purify you, to get you there. Your spirit guides are funny. Your spirit guides are very funny. It's been a slow, Knight of Pentacles just peeked out. It has been a slow moving journey for you. You know, this cycle closing out, these that we've had to deal with over the years. It's been a slow moving cycle. And I want to pull an oracle card. I just want to see what the deck wants to say about this as we're closing out the reading. It's been a slow cycle, they're saying, but it's going to be picking up. We have the Fire Horse here. There may be things that want to distract you. You know, there were a lot of things that did not want me to record this message right now, but I'm recording it, you know, because I have people to show up for and read these messages for, you know, and my clients, you know, that work with me. Also, if you would like to book a personal session, I'd love to hold that space for you. Everything that I offer is linked in the description. Or if you would like to support my work, offer me a tip. I'd also greatly support that. I would greatly receive that. Don't let anything make you stutter. Don't let anything, like, say it with your chest. Say it with your chest. Don't let anything distract you. Don't let anything make you stutter. Like, angel of strength. Yeah. The strength that you exude, the resiliency, your power, your confidence. That's so funny the way that just happened as I said that. Everything that I offer is linked in my description, okay? Whether you want a tip or you want to work together. I have private sessions and I have my mystery school. Say it with your chest, Spirit saying. Don't let anything make you stutter. That's so funny the way that just came through. And door to romance. So if this was love, like difficult relationships, you know, romantic relationships that did you dirty, there's doors to romance opening to you for you now. There's doors to romance opening to you now. Wow. Take that how it resonates. Caring connections. You can't make this up. You can't make this up. There's doors to romance opening for you now for this collective. Yep. After a lot of deception, deceit in reverse. So a lot of deception around love. Yeah, you may have had to deal with narcissism in relationships. You may have had to deal with people who weren't able to commit to you or treat you well, or were wishy-washy with you, or maybe they literally did you dirty. You know, maybe they were sending you ill intentions or cheating on you, or just ugly, I'm hearing. Like, but what had you tied up? What had you tied up in love, in this next expansion of what you've really been wanting in love? You know, I also am picking up your finances, your career. Whatever tied you up has been unbound. The chains have been released. The chains have been removed. Oof. Oh. Yeah, envy in reverse. There was a lot of people wishing, like, some of you, there were a lot of people wishing you ill intentions. And Spirit's like, say it with your chest. Like, that's what that energy of just coming back around again now, of like being confident in who you are and not having boundaries and protecting yourself and still showing up to do your role and what you came here to do, not letting anything stop you. Say it with your chest. Put some respect on my name. Say it with your chest. Love yourself. I love who I am no matter what. No matter what people say about you or think about you or stories they want to write about you, it's not your problem. You know, as the shaman sees, you know, through my shamanic training, I was taught to see with soft eyes, to see, you know, and as I've really integrated that and understood what that means, it's holding people in the light and in the higher version and giving them that space, that compassion for their own healing, even though they did you dirty. Do you understand how powerful that is? That angel of strength energy that just came out. You understand how powerful that is? Not everybody can do that. And you didn't stoop to, you don't stoop to those levels. You hold the light. You genuinely have been through some shitty situations, and you know how to hold the light and not let yourself get wrapped up into it and start acting out. You could have, but you didn't. Then that is true strength. That restraint, that alchemization, that compassion, those boundaries, that's true strength. It's true strength. I feel like that's it from the Oracle. Is there anything else for this collective? I'm just hearing K-pop Demon Hunters again. We're going up, up, up. It's our moment. You know, the King of Pentacles popping back out. That's what I'm saying. Get excited for your material world to expand. You know, abundance, expansion, divine justice, your personal power activating, money increasing, health increasing, community overflowing and growing, opportunities for you. It's your turn. It's your time now. Why not you? My ear is ringing right now. Like it's gotten really quiet in the energy. If you made it to this part of the video, not everybody makes it to the end. If you made it to the end, drop a mushroom in the comments. If I was a mushroom, this is what I would look like. You can't even tell me it's not true. That's but if you made it to this part, like things are getting, it's your turn. God is putting on a show and it is your turn. That's going to be the name of this video. God is putting on a show and it's your turn. It's your divine justice. It's time. My ears are ringing right now. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Oh, my heart. You deserve this and you are worthy. I just feel it in my heart. I feel your hearts. I feel you with this collective. I feel you, collective. I see you. I hear you. I'm with you. I'm walking alongside you. You got this. You deserve this. You deserve all the good that's coming your way. Just like magic. Allow it. Listen to your intuition. Keep trusting yourself. You are safe. You are safe to do this work, working with your intuition. You are safe to do this work, connecting in with spirit. Keep cleansing your energy. Keep grounding yourself. Keep protecting your energy. If you don't know how to do that, you know, there's simple grounding techniques. Check out meditations. I highly recommend getting Reiki attuned. I have Reiki workshops available. I have private mentorship if you want to work together, or private sessions. And I also have the Remembrance Mystery School to support you in developing your spiritual gifts if you feel called to it. So everything that I offer is linked in the description. This feels like the end of the message now. So thank you for sticking around and making it to the end. I send you so much love. And I will see you in the next message. You got this.